Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Sahiti.
Good, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. So let's wait for 2 more minutes and start the class. So let's start the class. So we're discussing problems, right?
Probability, sir.
No. What we're discussing last class?
Sir, we discussed about probabilities.
Sir, we discussed exercise and probability.
Okay. Let's discuss some problems now. Okay. So this is the pie graph. Okay. And here, let me draw this big. So this is the pie graph. So this is the center of the pie graph. Okay. This is mathematics, maths. And this is of 90 degrees. Okay. And this is social science. This is of 65 degrees. This is science, 80 degrees. Seventy degrees Hindi. And left is 55 degrees, that is English. Okay. Now the given question is, so these are the marks scored by a student. So the total marks is, sorry, the total marks he scored is 540. Okay. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? First question is. In which subject student score is 105 marks? So how will you do this?
Sir, 540 is not a multiple of 360, right, sir? It's hard to do. So we'll get it point, sir, that 540, it's there actually in the textbook. We will get the marks in the points, like in decimal.
I didn't get you. What is decimal? What is this thing? What you are talking about? You are doing maths or you are doing small additions or subtract. You are in 8th class. You are not in elementary class to give simple calculations and all. So for this, in which subject score is 105 marks, he is asking. How will we do this? First of all, let us check 360 degrees is the complete angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this pie chart is 360 degrees or not?
Yes, sir.
If this pie chart is 360 degrees, and it is also said that in the question, this pie chart is mentioning the marks scored by a student. That is marks scored by a student, and the total, and this pie chart is mentioning that the total marks scored by a student is 540. So this pie chart on whole is equal to how much? 360 degrees means complete angle. This, when it is 360 degrees only, it will become pie chart. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And this pie chart is representing total marks secured by a student. And that total marks secured by a student is 540 degrees. Sorry, 540 marks.
Yes, sir. Total marks will be 540 marks.
So this 360 degrees is a completely equal to 540 degrees. Sorry, 540 marks. This 360 degrees will be equal. Why? Because this pie chart is mentioning the complete marks secured by, that is total marks secured by a student. So if this pie chart is making on whole how much? 360 degrees. So these 360 degrees will be equal to 540 marks. That is scored by student. Okay. Now I will go subject wise. Let us go with social science first. So social science is how much they are saying in the question? 65 degrees. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
For 360 degrees, it is 540 marks. For 65 degrees, what is the marks? Go for cross multiplication. So 65 degrees into 540 by 360. So that will be equal to, calculate this and tell me. Social science marks. So 65 degrees. You can remove degree here. Anyway. So 0 0 get cancel. अरे क्या कर रहा हूँ इधर? So 0 0 will get cancelled. 8 2s, 8 3s, and you don't have any option of going for further factorization. Common factorization is not available in numerator and denominator. So 2 1s,
2
1.5s. So 2 into 1.5 is nothing but, so 65 into 1.5. So I will go in this way. 65 1 plus 0.5. So 65 plus 60.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. So that will be equal to 65 plus 2 into 65. 2 3s, 2 2s, 64. 1 is the remainder. Point. Here is the point. 0, 5, 10. 0. So 32.5. So that will be
Sir.
equal to 797.5. So total marks scored here is, sorry, social science marks is 97 and half.
Sir,
Yes.
like we can do it in another method, no, sir. Like
Which-
we can as you said, we cancel 54 and 36 into 3 by 2, no, sir. Then we will multiply 65 times 3 and then divide by 2, sir. I did like that only. I got this answer only, sir.
Pranava, stop it. I never go for a complex mathematics.
No, sir, it's not complex, sir. Like
No.
65
Okay. This is my way of calculating. That is your way of calculating. I'm happy that you got the answer. But I'm not teaching here multiplications, okay? So you didn't invent any new method now. The method which you know, which you already solved known by many students here. That's not a method. That's a way of approaching the calculation method. That is multiplication. Next, 90 degrees. Please find out maths marks. Maths marks. Please send your answers. Similar way, maths marks. Please send your answers. Lasya, Sahiti, Zubair. I need your answers on the chat box.
Sir, I sent, sir. This is Zubair, sir.
Sir, I sent, sir.
Zubair,
Answer.
yes. Yes, Pranava, Charantej, Nainika, Rudra, Rahim.
Sir, 135 no, sir.
Who's that?
Zubair, sir.
अरे बाबा छोड़ दो भाई, तुझे तो आंसर पता है ना, क्यों पुकार रहे हो माइक पे? Don't read out answers. While I tell to
Okay,
solve,
sir.
you just send it on chat box.
Okay, sir.
No problem. Where is Lasya here? Shrestha, did you send?
Sir, I'm sending, sir.
Yes, Shrestha, you sent. Sahiti, yep, I got your answer. Bhavishya, hi Bhavishya, you're attending the class after a long time, I guess. Are you attending daily? Bhavishya, your answer is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
I request other students to please turn on your cameras. Where is Varshit, Sai Karthik Reddy? Your answers, please.
So my internet is very bad. I mean, yeah, my internet is very bad, sir. So I'm not able to on my camera.
Who's that? Who's that?
So it's me, Shrestha. The power went out twice until now.
Shrestha, no problem. Yeah.
Sir,
Sai
I'm
Karthik
Rudra.
Reddy, are you?
Sir, excuse me. I'm Rudra, sir. My camera isn't working today, sir.
Okay, cool, no problem. What about others? Sai Karthik Reddy, Bhavishya? Are you here on the class?
Sir, I'm actually eating. I'm uncomfortable by on my video.
If it is uncomfortable, please also don't attend the class.
No, sir, I'm actually eating, so that's why.
Okay, cool. Sai Karthik Reddy, what about you? Next, also find out the marks of English, Hindi, and other subjects. English, Hindi, and science. Maths marks is 135. English, Hindi, and science. Go with the same method and find out the answer. So, given degree for
Sir,
English
I
is,
found out, sir. I found out.
then send it on the chat box. Don't read out.
Sir, I have sent, sir.
I didn't get your answer for you just mentioned Hindi, sir.
So can you show once again how to do it?
Who's that? Shrestha, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened
Sir,
with
sir, I have sent the answer, sir.
you? Okay, okay.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Shrestha, you have a doubt here? What about Lasya? Lasya is not here in the class. She seems to be so active every day. What's happened to her? Lasya,
Yes, sir.
doing the problem? Are you facing
Sir,
any
can
difficulty in
you,
solving it?
No, sir. I'm
sir,
not.
sir, can you tell science, sir, science marks, sir? Like, can you show science marks, sir?
Similar method. Go for
No, sir, I'm
multiple.
not asking the method, sir. Like, you drew a pie chart, no, sir. In that pie chart, science marks I want, sir. Okay, sir.
So can you just show how to do it once again, please?
So I will just speak out orally. So thing is 360 degrees is evaluating to 540 marks. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
360 degrees evaluating to 540 marks. So how much percent so how much so suppose if I want to find out 70%, 70% is evaluating to how many marks? So I'm just going for cross multiplication. Consider this as unknown value as x, and then you will be getting 360 into x is equal to 540 into 70. So x is equal to 540 into 70 by 360, and your answer will be out here.
Okay,
Sir,
so
I sent,
basically, so 90% of this much is 135, right?
Yeah, how did you did the previous one? That's how it is.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I send you all the three. Can you check
sir,
it?
I sent all, sir.
Mm,
Sir, I
math.
also sent.
Last year you sent math as 135. What about
Ji, sir.
Hindi as 105?
Yes,
So,
sir.
social as 105.
Ji, sir.
What about English?
English.
And
Yes,
what
sir.
about science?
Yes, sir. I'm sending.
By the way, your answer is wrong last year for
Social,
social.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm sending.
Okay,
Sir,
chalo. So you people know the approach how to solve. Let's move on to
Yes.
the other problem.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is maths 8.25 only?
No, social I typed wrong, sir. Social is 135. It was 97.5. I typed
No,
wrong. My
sir,
bad.
no, not maths, sir. English. English marks are 8.25 only. Okay, sir.
Next, move on to the next problem. So the question here is the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are 830, 835, 890, 810, 835, 836, 869, 845, 898, 890, 820, 860, 832, 833, 835, 855, 845, 804, 808, 812, 840, 885, 835, 836, 878, and so on. So on matlab sorry 878, let me write another marks, 840, 868, 890, 806, 840. So now what I should do here is using tally marks, mark a frequency table. Using tally marks, mark a frequency table. So we already discussed what is tally marks. And here intervals, with intervals also given here. With intervals 800 to 810, 810 to 820, and so on. Okay. Okay, fine. So now what will you do? So my frequency given, let us check if there any number which is the highest number. Let us check. So I'm going through all the numbers now. 898 here, 890 here, 890 here. So why did I found a highest number here is I can set the frequency till what extent. So I can go with now, it's starting with 800. Anyways, you can see here, it's starting with 800. See 808, 804, you can 808, 804. You can see all those numbers. Again 810. So now what I will do, I will make a interval, class interval here. Tally marks and frequency.
Sir, can you go a little bit up, sir? I'm trying to copy the question. Thank you, sir.
You can copy later. First, you please try to understand how we solve this. So now what I'm doing is 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 830, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840, 842, 850, 852, 860, 862, 870, 872, 880, 882, 890, 892, 900. And I can see, yeah, till 900
Sir.
is okay. Bolo.
Sir, in every interval, like the last digit, so like 800 to 810 is an interval, no, sir. Does 810 count, sir, in that interval? In 810 to 820 also 810 counts, sir.
In 810 to 820,
Yes, sir.
if they see, it starts from 800 and ends at 810. Here it starts at 810 and ends at 820. So you have to take the consideration counting also.
Sir.
So now you please check. And anyway, one more thing you please remember, when they give the problems like this to count the tally marks, they never give 810, 820, 830. Okay. So here if you see the in question, it is given as 800 and 810, right? And from 810 to 820 and so on, they said, right? They won't mention exactly which number it is. Or else you can, if they mention, you can consider in any case, either in 800 to 810 or 810 to 820. It's your way of taking it. But considering 810 will be the easy way. Suppose I will tell you one thing here. So 800 to 810, how many marks I should find out now? So here if you see, I'm marking with yellow, blue here, 806. Okay. And 808, 804, 810 also I'm including in this only. Why? Because you can include this 810 in second order. But here already first preference where we should give, where it's mentioned. So already one interval is mentioned with 800 to 810. So in that only we have to consider. Okay.
Sir, 805, no, sir. 805 is there, no, sir.
Where this?
No, sir. Third line, sir. Third line, fifth one. This one.
That only, that is 885.
885. Oh.
Okay, so how many numbers we have here now? So 1, 2, 3. So and one. Okay, one more minute. Okay. So now how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is frequency now? 4.
4, sir.
Similarly, find out for others. You know what? If you get fifth number, what is your frequency? You have to do in this way. You know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can do later. You can take a screenshot of this and you can do later. This is easy problem. This is just to check your visible analysis. So this is chota bacha problem. Even second, third class all also will do. Fifth class, sixth class student also. So let's go with another problem. So I just to give a glance how tally marks problems will come in the examination. I just explained you this. Okay.
Sir, will it come for a weekend exam, sir?
Weekend exam. I told. Why you don't want this question in weekend exam?
No, sir. Like a doubt, sir. Like you're saying it will come in school exams, no, sir. Like it will come in.
School exams, matlab, what I am telling here is students can easily solve it. Anybody can check what all numbers are lying between this and this, and they can easily mark. No.
Yes, sir.
And then it's not that big difficult or any rocket science is not involved in it. I hope everyone got to know how to find out this. Any
Yes,
questions in the last? Any doubts in the last question?
no, sir.
Okay.
No.
Lasya, are you getting the class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is a graph. X-axis shows hours of TV watched per day. So this includes per. Don't get confused again. This indicates per. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So in it, this is the graph I am drawing. Don't get confused. In question, the graph is given in this way. So this is again 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 22, 24, 28, 32. Okay, so this is a scale they given, and this is number of students. So number of students. Okay. So what they are telling here is this is 4 they give, this is 8 they give, this is 22 they give, this is 32 they give, this is 8 they give, this is 6 they give. So what they are telling is the number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television during holidays is shown in through the given graph. Answer the following questions. So the number of hours of which students of a particular class watch it. So suppose particular class matlab suppose 6th class students, they watch the TV in holidays. Okay, for particular hours. So for how many hours? Like for 4 hours, how many students watch? For 8 hours, how many students watch? For 12, for 20, sorry. So what I'm telling you, so for 1 hour or 2 hours, how many students watched? And we are calculating that data. Now for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? From the graph, you please tell me how many
Sir,
hours?
32, sir. 32, sir.
32, sir.
32. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
for how many hours 32 students watched? See 4 to 5 hours. See this graph. What I wrote here: hours of TV watched per day.
4
From
to
4
5.
to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours, sir.
So 4 to 5 hours, 32 students watched. Okay. So what is the maximum hours of maximum number of students who watch TV for how many, which hours?
32, that,
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5
4 to
hours.
5 hours, sir. Sorry, they're not
32
32, sir.
students watched
32 students, sir,
4 to
watched.
5 hours a TV. Then what is the least?
4 to 5,
Sir,
sir.
1 to 2 hours, sir.
Yeah, 1 to 2, only 4 students watched. So if you consider this 1 to 2, only 4 students watched. So 1 hour to 2 hour, in between 1 hour to 2 hours, only 4 students watched. So 4 students. So people who are, so only 4 students watching TV in between 1 to 2 hours. 32 students are watching TV 4 to 5 hours. They don't have any work, simply watching TV in holidays. Okay. Now you please tell me, how many students spend more than 5 hours watching TV? How many students spend more than 5 hours watching TV?
Sir, 14, sir.
Sir, if
14, 14, sir.
sir.
So more than 5 hours, I
14.
said.
14, sir.
Plus
So 14.
Yes, yes. Well, wait. So more than 5 hours, I said. More than 5 hours means, here if you see, more than 5 hours means this wala, from 5 to 7. So it's 8 plus 6. 14 students watching more than 5 hours. And please send your answers on the chat box. Don't shout. What if I tell you how many numbers of students watching more than 3 hours? Only on chat box. How many students? Wait.
Sir, scroll up.
Yeah,
Sir,
can you go
show
on?
the graph, sir.
Let me write here. How many students watching more than 3 hours? Please send your answers on the chat box.
Sir, I have sent, sir, to you.
Sir, I sent.
Sir, I sent, sir.
Sorry.
How many students watching more than 3 hours? Class,
Sir,
where is your
I have
answer?
sent, sir. I have sent, sir. Pranav.
अरे बाबा
Sir, I
देखा
said
भाई
already,
देखा.
sir. I said already, sir.
32, 22.
Sir, now I said again.
More than 3 hours, I am asking Lasya.
Sir, is the answer which I sent is correct?
Sir, now I said.
Sir, my answer is correct, sir.
अरे लास्या कहाँ हो भाई, कहाँ है, क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? What you people are doing here? It's simple. More than 3 hours. Seeing the graph. So more
Sir,
than
sir.
3.
I have
हाँ
sent,
अनुरू.
sir.
Sir,
अरे
I sent,
बाप,
sir.
अरे बाबा ठीक है भाई, जो लोग भेजा है 68, वो जो लोग भेजा है उसका आंसर तो सबका सही हो गया है. So 58, 58, 58. Zubair wrong, Rudra wrong. Let me check.
Sir, I did it again, sir. I got 58, sir. I didn't do calculation properly, sir.
Sir, even sir, I again changed it to 58.
It's 68.
Sir, I have sent, sir. That answer only.
Sir, how is it 68, sir?
Sir, I
Sir,
said
how much
again.
68, sir?
I said again.
Basic calculations also should I teach means I will go on.
Sir, it's 44 plus 14, which is 58, sir.
More than 3 hours. Who will consider 22?
That's 22, sir. It looks like 12, sir.
Oh, I am very extremely sorry. It's 22.
Okay, sir. It looked like 12. That's why I said 58.
Same,
Sir.
sir. I also got wrong, sir.
Okay, sorry for that.
Sir, I have sent the same answer, sir.
22, 32, 8 plus 6. So if I go now, this will be my consideration. What if I tell you more than 2 hours? Just add 68 plus 8, that is 76.
Yes, sir. 76.
More than 1 hour. 76 plus 4, 80. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you please tell me number of students watching TV. Okay. Watching TV more than 6 hours.
Only 6 students, sir.
Yes, sir. Only 6 students, sir.
Okay, very good. So any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow you will be having problems on tally marks, bar graph, and pie chart. Okay. So it will be for 20 marks, and even some blanks I will give you regarding the probability. Okay, so I will upload the paper, and any doubt from today, we will discuss some more problems on Monday's class. Okay. Mondays, Tuesdays, some more problems we will cover, and from Thursday, we'll start again new chapter. Okay. So your test paper will be uploaded by today evening or tomorrow morning. I wish you good luck in the exam, in this weekend exam.
Sir, the exam is about data handling, sir. Like tally marks, sir.
Your syllabus is already posted in the group. You please go and check there. If you have any doubts, please stay here, or else you can leave on. I want to talk to students, Sahiti, Karthik, Lasya, and who all here? ये लोग कहाँ चल गए हैं भाई? Yes, others can leave. Karthik is not here in the class. Rudra,
Yes, sir.
please leave the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
What about you guys? Are you guys here in the class? Lasya and Sahiti.
Yes, sir.
What about you guys? Are you guys facing any difficulty in understanding the problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then why you people are giving always wrong answers? Either I might not be teaching you properly, or you might not listening properly. Only these two cases will lead to wrong answer. So please tell what happened.
Sir, the calculation rocket, sir.
Every time it's happening, or what? Okay. Anyways, few people don't have any doubts, you can leave. Thank you. I need you to perform well in this examination. Last day and Sahiti, you didn't do well in last examination, and I think you didn't attend in the exam also last time. So I need
Yes,
you
sir.
people to attend, to do good and to attend well in the examination. I wish you good luck for the examination. Go through the
Yes,
topics which we discussed. I already gave sufficient time to make a notes of what we discussed in the class. So please go through the class notes, and please a paper will be moderate only. It will be not difficult, or it will be not too easy, but what all we discuss in the class only will be in the paper. So don't escape from attempting the examination. Give me some lame reasons for that. Okay. So I wish both of you to do good in the examination. Let's catch up on Monday. Thank you.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.